I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a bit of a smoky liner. It only takes two things. This is just an eyeliner and a little smudgy brush. This is a very natural, delicate smoky liner, so let's do it together. It's gonna take 1 second. I shouldn't even have to cut this video. That's how quick it's gonna be. Okay, so I'm going to take my MAC Technical liner in the color Broke, and I'm already wearing a bit of eyeshadow underneath. So I'm just going to take my little eyeliner, go underneath. I sometimes like starting underneath on my bottom lash line because I think it gives me the best shape. So that way I kind of know how round my eye is going to look. Look at that. Oh, I love this eyeliner because it looks so natural and it's very, very easy to use. Okay, then I'm going to go just here on the outer portion of my eyelid. Going to take it out just a little bit. Okay, do you see that? And then just here in my crease. Attach the two. Look at that. Okay. Then I'm going to take my little smudgy brush. You can actually do this with your fingertips too if you want. Oh. Clean that up. Just gonna smudge with my fingertip. A bit of definition. Smudge at the bottom. Look at that. It's so easy. It's so easy, and it's so flattering. And it's something where if you're not really into smoky eyes, which first of all, I really appreciate you being here because I know that not everybody wants to wear a very heavy eye. This is something where you just need a little bit of confidence and a little eyeliner, and it seriously goes such a long way. You just smudge it. Don't be afraid. Smudge it again. Use your fingertip. You can do this 5 minutes in the morning. You can do this before you go out. And if you want to add some eyeshadow on top, you can do that just to kind of make it look a little bit darker, but that's it. You should be fine just like that. 2 products. That's it. That's it. How easy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and just dive right in. Bye, guys.